after 10 minutes, like it would be good afternoon, right? Everybody say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Right, so in the last podcast, we have recorded something really amazing about the voice consonant sound. Okay, so you are from class 5. Which class?
Class
5B. B stands for voice. Alright, so we're going to record right now something really out of the box because people are having lots of problems doing these kind of words. Alright, so in the last podcast, we have recorded TH in the beginning, but right now we just want to try TH in the middle. Alright, it's a bit amazing because we call this voice consonant sound. Okay, voice consonant sound. Voice consonant. So because in the non-native communication, the non-native countries, people speak TH differently. So we're getting started right now today, and we will learn how to pronounce it in an accurate way. All right? Accuracy matters. All right. So for example, TH. Okay. I'm talking about TH. So let's try TH in the middle of the word. Right? Okay. Like we say Father, Mother, Brother. Okay. And can you tell me what works with TH? H-E-A-L. Yes, please?
Father.
Breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Father is done. Mother, brother, breathe. More words with TH in the middle. Alright, so let's practice like with these words. Alright. Okay, so how to do with TH? Remember, TH is not the, it is the. So you don't need, voice does not matter. What matters is your mouth position, okay? Mouth matters, right? Because English happens on the basic. So now everybody, just take your tongue out. First show me your teeth. Okay, and take your tongue out. Okay, don't let it touch from your with your upper lip or the lower lip. Just show me your teeth, like this. Now take your tongue out in the middle, okay? Okay, that's a TH mouth position, alright? So we have here, we are recording your podcast here. So you please come here and record down. Take your tongue out. Okay, now everybody say it sounds like an airplane. Everybody, just show me your hands, okay, and do it. Okay, now let's practice it with everybody. Okay, now let's put this sound in your words, alright? So it sounds like okay. For example, if you pronounce TH in the beginning of the word, it sounds like the. For example, we say the marker, okay? It's the. Okay, now repeat after me, everybody. Just put that is TH, that's the same sound, the same mouth position, okay? In middle of the word, right? I'm going to say father. Not father. Look at my face because English happens on the face.
Father.
Everybody say it. Okay, put your upper teeth on the lower lip. It's an F fricative sound, okay? It's a fricative sound, like you need to be pushed a lot of air. Now, everybody say it. Father. Father. Can you please come here and record with us? Do it. Just look at the camera.
Father.
Much better. Fist pumping really. Wow. So in the beginning, you will pronounce slow. Later on, the more and more practice you will do, it will become your first habit. Okay? Now, please do it. Father. Father. Good job, really. Wow. Okay, the next word is Everybody say Not mom. It's a Everybody say Mother. Make sure your tongue is coming out, okay? Mother. Remember, it's not z, it's the. Can you do it? Okay, now say mother. Mother. Yes, your turn. Please come forward. You're looking like a Billy. Okay. So the next word is, everybody say brr. Everybody say. R is very interesting. You look like a lion. Brother. Wow, you are so amazing people. I really want to appreciate you. Wow. Please can you come here? Yes, please come forward. Yes. What's your name? Fast. All right. Can you please come here? Yes. And next word is Bird.
Bird.
Let's say E.
E.
Stretch your tongue. E.
E.
Long E. Okay, now say breathe.
Breathe.
Z.
Z.
Breathe.
Breathe.
Let's look at her. Look at her. Breathe.
Breathe.
Oh, just stay there. Stay calm. Breathe.
Breathe.
Wow, fist pumping. Wow, good job. Can you please go back and come forward? Like, okay, just do it fast and say it with me. Breathe.